We now go rest until terrorists release all the children wey dem kidnap. Na Presido Buhari na talk this one. This one na the ogbonge information we dey bring come give una on top with tori for today. As Naija Presido Buhari don talk am say Naija government no go rest until terrorists release all the children wey dem don kidnap. Him talk this one for high-level breakfast dialogue where the theme be "Stop the war on children affected by army conflicts, dividend of silencing the gun." This breakfast dialogue na side event wey follow for 33rd African Union Summit wey shele for Addis Ababa. Make una know say na about 13 African countries na im dey experience katakata and gbege wey dey affect children. Na this one na make wey dem organize the dialogue session wey dem for discuss ogbonge plans and policies wey dem go fit take stop this kind suffer wey children dey suffer. Special representative of United Nations Secretary General for Children and Armed Conflicts, Virginia Gamba, come through a better salute give Presido Buhari when he take make sure say dem release 160 children last year and when dem take make sure say their life done better.
I want to also thank today President Buhari for the release of 160 children from detention last year and also for assisting in engaging in 2,000 children released from recruitment by the Civilian Joint Task Force. Thank you very much, President Buhari.
President Buhari come talk say him dey panic for the way katakata take dey affect children for Africa.
It is for this reason that the Nigerian government have severally condemned and is combating frontally the dreadful activities of terrorist groups like Boko Haram and the so-called Islamic State. We will not relent until every child, boy or girl, every Nigerian adult in the custody of Boko Haram is freed. Nigeria is committed to the protection of children in armed conflict zones.
He talks say this kind of thing no follow for children rights and it's not good at all.
The call to action is now for accountability by all African states to the rights of children caught up in wars. Let us stop the war on children. This is a wake-up call for us all to create the enabling environment for rooting out the impact of armed conflict against our children across the continent.
The co-sponsors of the breakfast dialogue na Naija government, Ugandan government, Norway government, African Union Commission and Save the Children Foundation. Now so we see this ogbonge information reach on top with tori for today. On top say Naija Presido Buhari don talk am say dem no go rest until terrorists release all the children wey dem don kidnap. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na bring this ogbonge information come give una.